Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Apple Music to Discord. Alright, so let's begin. If you've been trying to connect Apple Music to Discord, share what you're listening to, or stream music, here's exactly how you can set it up. First, open the Apple Music app on your device and sign in with your Apple ID if you haven't already. Next, go to the For You tab, and there you'll find an option to generate a unique Apple Music link. Make sure to copy this link as you'll need it later. Now, head over to Discord and log into your account. Click on the gear icon next to your username in the bottom left to open Settings. Scroll down to App Settings, and if you've installed the Apple Music Link plugin, you'll see an option called Use Music Link. Toggle it on. If you don't have the plugin, you may need to download and install it first from a trusted source. Once that's done, open the Apple Music Link page in your browser, paste your Apple Music Link code, and hit Connect. If everything is set up correctly, your Apple Music account will be linked to Discord, and your playlist and listening status will be accessible through the music icon in Discord's top right corner. That's it. Once everything is linked, you can share your music activity with friends or listen while chatting. It's a great way to combine music and community on Discord. So that's basically how you can connect Apple Music to Discord. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.